I think that there's always the opportunity for people to work together on ambitious goals that serve a common purpose. This doesn't mean that we pretend that differences don't exist, pretend that we agree on every item. I think that to Islam, there is a respect. That I think that a number of places in which people of goodwill, both Christian and can work together for fostering good, for encouraging peaceful coexistence, for together to understand each other. These are all things that, as we work together, can provide an arena in which there is mutual love, respect, and tolerance. I think for these reasons, I'm hopeful. Whenever I meet trip gracious and warm Muslims who very respect and tolerance to other religions, I find something very encouraging, and I appreciate that very much. Again, this is not to I'm a Christian. I am Jesus to how the Christians understand Him as Lord and Savior. I realize my Islamic friends have a different have that conversation and not pretend that we don't have disagreements. But it is this environment in which we understand each other better and understand each other well, it enables us to live together in a very positive that makes advances in terms of a culture, building societies in which can live without bigotry, without hate, and without fear. Now, I think all support.